Iceland observes UTC plus or minus 0 o'clock year-round, known as Greenwich Mean Time or Western European Time. UTC plus or minus 0 o'clock was adopted on 7 April 1968 in order for Iceland to be in sync with Europe, replacing UTC 1 o'clock, which had been the standard time zone since 16 November 1907. Iceland previously observed daylight saving time, moving the clock forward 1 hour between 1917 and 1921 and 1939 and 1968. The start and end dates varied, as decided by the government. Between 1941 and 1946, daylight saving time commenced on the first Sunday in March and ended in late October, and between 1947 and 1967 it commenced on the first Sunday in April, in all instances since 1941 occurring and ending at 2 o'clock. Since 1994, there have been an increasing number of proposals made to the Althing to reintroduce daylight saving time for a variety of reasons, but all such proposals and resolutions have been rejected. Most of Iceland lies within the geographical UTC 1 o'clock offset, including the capital Reykjavik, while the westernmost points of Iceland located west of 22.5 degrees west, including Ísafjörður, lie within the geographical UTC 2 o'clock offset. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.